Hi, Chase Jordan here in Puerto Vallarta. I want to show you this brand new listing. It's 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, great rooftop terrace with a view of downtown and ocean views and a giant backyard. Come on in, let's check it out.
Casa Río, a charming 4-bedroom home with expansive views and developmental potential nestled in the traditional Colonia of Agua Azul. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort, stunning views, and investment opportunity. The home features a versatile layout, ideal for rental income, with multiple entry points and flexible living areas. Whether you're looking for a family home with room to grow or a property to generate passive income, this residence checks all the boxes. Step outside to the large backyard oasis, perfect for gardening, outdoor gatherings, or further development. With ample space available, you can easily add a guest casita, pool, or additional rental units. Plus, the structure allows for the possibility of building an additional floor, further enhancing its rental or resale value. The highlight of the property is its generous terrace, where you can relax or entertain while enjoying panoramic views of the ocean, mountains, and vibrant cityscape of Puerto Vallarta.
Thank you for viewing this home in Puerto Vallarta.
$275,000 US.
You could have these ocean, mountain, and city views from your rooftop terrace. Come on, call me today. You got to come check this place out.